Welcome back to Burger. We're gonna do something a little bit different tonight. No burger, no steaks, no grilling. We're gonna actually griddle, and we're gonna make one of my favorite dinners, chicken piccata. Now we've got some chicken breasts that look like they were LA chickens. Like these mamas were big ones. So we put them in a plastic bag and we hammer them down flat. And that's all you gotta do, real nice and easy. You can use a wine bottle, you can use a hammer, you can use whatever you want. Just go ahead and hammer those babies flat. And for the flour mix that I like to use, I don't know, about a cup and a half of just regular flour, about a quarter cup to a third of a cup of potato starch, and about 2.5 teaspoons of Borsari Savory Blend. Give them a nice generous seasoning of salt, and then give them a good dredge in this flour. And make sure you dry your chicken breasts off with paper towels. The flour mix actually sticks better when they're dry. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is take a sip of beer. And tell you that this episode is sponsored by Steak Ager.
How do you turn this into this? You dry age, you dingus. Dry aged steak is just better, no doubt about it. A good dry aged steak is a steak lover's paradise. You gotta get you one of these. www.steakager.com.
All right, get your griddle ripping hot. Get a nice amount of butter down there. I like to do a little bit of oil too. I've teamed up with the team at Steak Ager for you to enter to win a Pro 40 Steak Ager and a Pro 15 Steak Ager. First prize gets a Pro 40, second prize gets a Pro 15. The Pro 40 is almost $1,000 piece of hardware to dry age your steak so you can have the best steak possible. Like, that's crazy. It's a $1,000 thing we're giving away. The Pro 15 fits in your dorm fridge, and you can dry age up to 15 pounds of beef or pork or whatever you want to dry age in there, and you're just gonna have a great time eating the best stuff. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Steak Ager's channel, and go to steakager.com and take the Steak Lover's Creed. All you gotta do. And there's some other ways you can get bonus entries too. So go enter that contest, because you're gonna wanna win one of these. Chicken piccata, you know you wanna. Now let's check out and see what our chicken looks like here. Nice and golden brown. Beautiful. I like to add that potato starch because it adds that extra layer of crispiness. While the chicken's finishing to cook on the other side, we're gonna melt our butter in our little saucepan. We're gonna add 3 garlic cloves, a diced shallot, juice of a lemon, zest of a lemon, and all of these beautiful capers right here, about 2 tablespoons of capers. To that mix, we're gonna add about a 1/3 cup of chicken broth. You can add white wine to that if you want to also. We're just gonna let that cook up. Once this sauce is thickened up, now what we're gonna do is spoon it on top of the chicken just a little bit, just to kind of baste it. What I love about cooking on the griddle is see how the sauce goes right off and stays right around the chicken. And it's so hot, it's gonna make like a lemony, garlicky crust around the bottom of the chicken.